Reynaldo Valera Guardiano, born March 4, 1954, better known as Ray Valera, is a Filipino singer, songwriter, music director, film scorer, and television host. He wrote and produced songs that were recorded by various singers, most notably Sharon Cuneta. Valera is regarded as one of the pillars and icons of original Filipino music OPM. He was a judge on the singing contest Singaling. Valera was also a former head judge of the singing contest segment Tawag NG Tangalan in the variety noontime show, It's Showtime. Valera started his recording career in 1977 after becoming a band member from a group called Electric Hair, banned for 7 years. He waxed his first single as a solo singer-songwriter with the song Ako Si Superman, which he wrote supposedly for Rico J. Puno. His former boss at Vicor Records gave him the opportunity to sing his song and at the same time hired him as one of Vicor's in-house producers. Valera wrote the song Mr. DJ and Kahit Maputi Nayan Gi Bahakko for Sharon Cuneta as part of the album DJ's Pet, released in 1978. Recently, Vicor Music Corporation compiled Valera's recorded songs in their library in a 4-disc album entitled Walang Kapalit as part of Vicor's 40th anniversary. He was finally inducted to the Philippines Eastwood City Walk of Fame in 2009. He won the MYX Magna Award 2015 in the recent 2015 MYX Music Awards. Valera was filmed scoring movies during his singing career, but after the trouble his imposter has caused, Ray focused on his musical directing career. He particularly liked scoring music for action films, giving fight scenes and chase sequences fast-paced, rock-themed music, which reflects his roots as a rock band member. There are very few people are aware that Ray wrote music for movies. Even fewer are aware that he also wrote music for our 18 Bold films. He accepted making music for movies and considered it an opportunity, as these projects usually pitted his songwriting skills to follow fresh and often unusual themes and topics, often deviating from pop love songs, which he was usually typecast into. please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.